Hi there, everybody. Welcome to week 3 of EN 1150. And I'm trying out something different this week to give you a video version of your instructor. That's me. Hi. First of all, I do the grading for the class in Monday or Tuesday. I have more than one class, so once I try and get everything will be done by Tuesday, put it that way. So, with this being week 3, please take a look at the section on the class homepage called My Grades. And anything that you see there that has not yet been graded, discussions, modules, assignments, tests, extra credits, all of those should still be open for you. If you see a test score that you don't like and you've taken it twice, let me know and I can perhaps set up another attempt for you. But otherwise, everything is still open. So now that we're in week 3 and almost halfway home, try and take a look at those. Let's see. For week 3, we're doing a couple of things. First of all, the discussion is a follow-up to what you did in week 2, where you were writing the cover letter, trying to convince the person to give you an interview. This time you're writing a thank you letter to that person. Apparently you wrote an awesome cover letter. And you wanted to say thank you for the interview. The section in chapter 7 on tone will help give you some ideas about how you want to word that. But also, actually, what you're actually doing is trying to convince them one more time that you are absolutely the best candidate. And finally, for the writing assignment worksheet, we are now completing the 5-paragraph essay. You talked about topics in week 1. Week 2, you did an outline, the graphic organizer. Using that as your basis, you want to complete a 5 paragraph essay. Each paragraph should be a minimum of 4 to 5 complete sentences. On your worksheet, there's a box for introduction paragraph, 3 supporting paragraphs, and then a conclusion. I also included a video link for you to take a look at that as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.